Take out the navigation beacon. Disassemble the beacon by turning the upper beacon counterclockwise and remove the protection materials inside the beacon. Then insert the dry cells in sequence and tighten clockwise until a beep is heard, which indicates that two parts of beacon are tightened. Insert the beacon into the navigation-assisted pole by aligning projections on the beacon with grooves of the navigation-assisted pole. Rotate the beacon clockwise to the lock icon, indicating it is tightly locked. Ensure that the navigation beacon, goat, and phone are positioned as close to each other as possible before linking the navigation beacon. Open the app and click the Add Beacon button at the bottom of the page. After scanning the QR code on the navigation beacon, the app will automatically add the navigation beacon. After adding successfully, the app screen will display the number of successfully linked navigation beacon. Once all navigation beacons have been linked, tap the Add and Install button on the app screen. The page will redirect you to the Navigation Beacon Installation Guide page. If you need to add or unlink a navigation beacon, tap Settings in the upper right corner of the home page in the app and tap Beacon to access the page to add or unlink the navigation beacon. Before inserting the navigation beacon, determine the position of the navigation beacon according to the shape and the length of the sides of your yard. Go to the navigation beacon position and rotate the navigation beacon into the ground. Try to make sure that the navigation beacon is at a 90-degree angle to the ground. If there is a slope at the navigation beacon position, make sure that the navigation beacon is vertical to the horizon. Please ensure that navigation beacons are placed at least 20 centimeters away from obstacles greater than 60 centimeters in height that may be at the edge of the lawn near a navigation beacon. Please ensure that navigation beacons are placed at least 5 meters away from obstacles greater than 60 centimeters in height that may be in the middle of the lawn near a navigation beacon. It is recommended that the distance between two navigation beacons should be no more than 45 meters and that there are no obstacles greater than 60 centimeters in size between two navigation beacons.